Hello, and a very warm welcome to you. We're jumping straight in today because we are going to practice speaking English. I'm your coach, and we'll be using short, simple sentences to get you talking. Now, keep in mind, this isn't just an explainer for you to sit back and passively listen to. No way. We're going to be speaking out loud together right now.
Okay, let's dive into this so you know exactly what to expect from our workshop. Here is our roadmap. 1. The shadowing technique. 2. Introducing yourself. 3. Daily routine. 4. A short conversation. And 5. Next steps. Section 1. The shadowing technique. Let's transition right into the methodology here. You know, this technique is absolutely crucial because it really is the best way to improve your speaking. It's like a giant puzzle, and here's how we put it together. Step 1, you just listen. I'll say a simple English sentence so you can hear the rhythm. Step 2, we pause. I'm going to wait for a few seconds and say absolutely nothing. And step 3, you repeat. During that short pause, I want you to repeat the sentence out loud. Try your best to copy my exact voice. Ready? Let's go. Section 2, introducing yourself. As we start this first practice set, be sure to keep your eyes on the screen to see those stressed words highlighted in color. Give those words a little extra punch. Let's start. Just wait for my pause and speak out loud. Hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Great job. And this brilliantly illustrates how we build confidence. Let's talk about where you're from. Try to match my energy here. I am from Egypt. I am 20 years old. Excellent. Speak loudly. It honestly makes you feel so much more confident. Now, let's switch gears and ask some questions. Listen closely to how my voice goes down at the very end, and then you repeat it back. What is your name? Where are you from? Perfect. You are doing fantastic. Let's finish up our introductions. I live in Cairo. I work as a teacher. Fantastic work. Seriously, you just completed your very first practice set, and your active engagement is really paying off. Section 3, Daily Routine. Let's move to and see how this builds, preparing us for vocabulary all about your daily schedule. Let's talk about things you do every single day, starting right in the morning. Remember, when I stop speaking, you start. I wake up at 7. I have breakfast every morning. Very good. Keep that steady rhythm going.
Next up, let's talk about travel and work. And hey, don't worry about being perfect, we are just practicing here. I go to work by bus. I finish work at 5. You are doing so great. Did you notice how finish work kind of flows together and sounds like one long word? That's exactly the natural rhythm we want. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the rhythm of these evening routine sentences. The word usually can be a little tricky, so take your time with it. I usually watch TV at night. I go to bed at 11. That first one was a bit of a longer sentence, but you handled it perfectly. Finally, let's talk about the weekend. Make sure you hit those very last sounds of the words clearly. On weekends, I meet my friends. I like to read books. Amazing job. Take a nice deep breath. You've totally mastered this phase of the workshop. Section 4, Short Conversation. Okay, this is where it gets really exciting. We are going to put all these phrases together into a simulated back-and-forth dialogue. First, we'll do this at a normal, everyday speed. I'll read a line and you shadow it right after me for both speakers. Let's go. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
And you?
I'm good too. What do you do?
I'm a student. I study English.
Great.
Now, actually, let's slow it down just a bit so you can really focus on shaping the words. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
And you?
I'm good too.
What do you do? I'm a student. I study English.
Excellent. You totally nailed it.
Section 5, Next Steps. Huge congratulations are in order. You actually spoke English out loud today, and that is a massive win. So the crucial point is that repetition is exactly how you get better. Take a look at all of this. These are the 10 key sentences you just successfully practiced today. From introducing yourself to talking about your daily schedule, you now have 10 brand new sentences stocked up and ready to use in the real world. That is incredible progress. To wrap things up, I want to leave you with a challenge. Think about it. Which of these sentences will you actually use in a real conversation this week? Pick just one. Maybe you'll tell a coworker, I go to work by bus, or tell a new friend, I like to read books. Make a promise to yourself to use it out loud. Be sure to subscribe and keep practicing with this explainer every single day. Thanks for jumping in and practicing with me, and I'll see you next time.